Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Dami. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make smoky patty jollof rice using liquid smoke. So let's get into it. So I'll be using cut turkey wings and I'm seasoning them with some chicken seasoning, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, curry powder, thyme, lemon pepper, onion powder, lots of smoked paprika to help me build the smoky flavor I'm looking for, black pepper, and some salt. An approximate measurement of all the ingredients I used will be listed in the description box below. So I'm just going to mix this all up. I'm using the inner pot of my instant pot. Add some water and pressure cook for 30 minutes. So now this is what I'm going to be blending for my jollof rice. I'm just slicing some onions. Now over medium heat in my pot, I'm going to melt some chicken fat. When I started watching our Oyinbos cook and I saw that they use dog fat and bacon fat to cook, I decided to try the chicken fat and I love the results. I used to throw this away before, but when you make your rice, jollof rice, fried rice, or anything you're doing with chicken fat, it really intensifies the chicken flavor. So I'm just going to melt this in my saucepan. Okay, so now that it's melted, I'm going to add some thinly sliced onions and I'm using my wooden spatula to separate them. Now I'm adding some tomato paste. You can decide to blend this with your peppers, you can decide to add it after your peppers, whichever order you prefer. So I'll just break this up and let it fry before I add my blended pepper mix. Now I'm adding my blended pepper mix. I have tomatoes, red bell pepper and habanero pepper with some onions, and I blended this using some chicken stock, so it's gonna really be awesome. Alright, so I added some bay leaves and I'm just going to let this fry. Now my turkey is ready. I'm using my liquid smoke. This is what is going to help me with the smoky flavor in the jollof rice. So I'm just going to put some on the turkey so that my turkey can also taste smoked. Remember, I already have smoked paprika here. So smoked paprika plus liquid smoke goes to awesome. So now my tomato base is fried. You can see all the oil is by the top and this is too much, but you want to make sure you have enough oil to fry it. And now I'm going to go ahead and drain the excess oil. So this is all the oil I drained out. You can use it to make your next batch of jollof rice or something else that needs oil. Now I'm adding my liquid smoke to this. You don't want to put too much. This is about maybe 2 tablespoons or so. You don't want to put too much because a little goes a long way. So I'm just mixing this up and then I'm going to reserve some of this sauce so that I can toss my turkey wings in this. My turkey wings are in the oven under the broiler. I'm just doing that so that I can get some color. Okay, now I'm adding my washed rice. I'm going to mix this a little bit. And add my turkey stock. Now this turkey stock has some smoked paprika flavor in it. So the smoked paprika and the liquid smoke is what is going to give my jollof rice its smoky flavor. So I'll just taste this and add a little bit of salt. Remember I used chicken stock to blend my peppers. I also used chicken fat. I added turkey stock and they all have salt. So you want to make sure you taste before you add any more salt. So I'm going to cover this and let it come to a boil, which should be around 10 minutes. Now my turkey is ready. I'm just going to toss it in some sauce. Just so that everything can taste similar. So I'm just going to make sure the sauce coats every turkey and I'll leave this till I'm ready to use it. Okay. So now my rice has come to a boil. I'm just going to mix it all together so that the ones down can come up and the ones up can go down. And I'm also going to taste, just in case I need to adjust my seasoning. Okay. Now I'm going to seal this with some aluminum foil. You want to make sure it's tight so that steam does not escape. And then I'm going to cook this for about 30 to 40 minutes or until all the liquid is absorbed on medium low heat. Now my rice is ready. I'm just checking the bottom to see there is no liquid there before I stir. So I'm mixing the sauce and the rice together. And this is how it looks. Oh yeah, open your mouth, open your mouth, open your mouth. This jollof rice is so good. Like the whole house smells smoky. You would think there's a Nigerian party going on in the house. The rice tastes so good, like it was actually made on firewood. The rice is smoky, the turkey is smoky, the sauce is smoky, everything is smoky. It's really so good. I hope you get to try this out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed already, and also leave some comments in the comment section on what you think about this recipe. Stay golden and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.